I just closed my window. It's like, I don't know which way the rain is going. Whoa. Hey, just so you know, I am kind of a storm girl person, I should say. So yeah, I like storms like this. That was not that great. Is it maybe like a blue or purple? I'm gonna upload this, I think. Okay. Damn. The power better not go up because of us. Well, none of us have lights on. Except for the fan, 'cause it's bloody hot in here. Ooh. Yeah, who's this? I open my window again because I think it's nice. I wanna go outside. It's 11:30 though, I can, so. Still freaking people driving almost at midnight. I bet you could tell, I guess, like all light up here, but then dark down. Ooh. You don't want to see my face. You can't even see my face anyway, so. That's not actually how dark it is. There it goes, go back to that. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can't see anything, never mind. There's the thunder. The rain is coming down a bit harder now, but it's not that bad. I don't know. I don't think I'll leave my window open. It's like if the rain gets harder and it changes directions when it's coming this way towards where I'm, towards my window, and that. I don't want it coming through because before there was a bit of a storm last month and rain was coming all into here. Well, I missed that. I think I did. I don't know. Jeez, my leg's killing me right now. There's the thunder. You can tell there's a bit of a darkening more in the back. Can't you see it? It's like late I think because of that stupid street light. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting any sleep tonight. Like, I'm not tired. I may be yawning, but seriously, I'm not tired. Oops. It's coming down a bit harder, but not that much. It's not a downpour, at least. Thank God. Well, I shouldn't say that too soon, because, like, you know, it could happen. I hear, like, a slow-mo on my camera or something. For some reason I have dirt on the outside of my... Whoa. That blinded me for a second. I actually made the outline of the cloud. That was cool. Maybe a few more minutes. It's not gonna die. It's only 8:33. There we go. Now that's the actual brightness right now. I want to leave my window open, but at the same time I don't. I don't know what to choose. I might just close it after and upload this. Alright, Jesus Christ. Whoa. I missed that. I might have just seen that, but at least I'm getting it on camera. And it's getting a little windy. Not that much though. She's kind of shaking. I miss that. Oh god, yeah, no. Not a chance. Do not do that. Come on. Lightning, we need more. Thank you. Might make this a 7 or 8, maybe 10-minute video. I don't know why there's still cars. Oh, anyway, guys, it's late at night, sorry. Actually, maybe I am tired, I just don't feel tired. Damn, that's nice. My fingers in the way. That light lit everything up. Oh. Oh. There we go, back to regular. No, back to normal. Back to real. There we go, no, not so blurry. Oops. It's still raining, kind of stopping. It's a night shower. Ooh. Damn. That's nice. Maybe 3 more minutes. Well, 2, technically. This will be a 10-minute video, so it might take a little bit longer to upload, but when... I'm just gonna say, when the video is uploaded, have a good night to anyone who is sleeping, but if you guys are on the other side of the world and it's daytime for you, have a good day, or evening. And if you are hours behind or hours ahead, I'm in Saskatchewan, so people who are like in Alberta or BC, Alberta's one hour behind us, and BC's 2 hours. Manitoba and people more up, closer to like Nova Scotia, they're hours ahead. Good history fact. Oh. One thing I want to see is lightning strikes. That's one thing I want to see, but I don't think we'll see that tonight. Damn. I'm blinded. Hold on. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go upload this and maybe go to bed, because I don't know what to do. So yeah, for my channel, I'm trying to reach a goal of 200 subscribers. If you can please help me reach that goal, I would be very thankful, and I'm taking video requests. So if it's anything that I can do with Roblox or Gacha Club, because I am a Gacha tuber. Well, I'm kind of a Gacha tuber, I'm not a fully great one yet. But yeah, take video requests. Just I post. Sometimes I've been dealing with some stuff here at home, so and I've been out and about in Manitoba for the past month, so I've not been able to post as much since I've been in a car most of the time. And if you want, you can just give me some ideas. I can do them. And if you want, if you seriously want me to do these weird dress, no. If you if you give me any hate, I will simply delete your comments on my videos. Cause I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Put minor swearing in this. So yeah, I don't give any congratulations. I don't give anything to hate. And yeah.